Yo, yo, party people. So what's up? So what's up? What's up with you guys? One to the two. Yo, party people. All right. Yeah. Let's have a look at. This is the U.S. data. Chicago Fed national activity. So initial jobless claims higher than expected. That's very bad.
Need to be further along in disinflation process.
All right. So, U.S. economy expands 2.5 in 2023, and GDP much higher than expected. So very mixed data. Hello, guys. What do you think about Nasdaq today? I don't know. I'm not looking at the Nasdaq today. I am looking at the Dow. This is my Dow. Sorry, setup all the way up here. Shit. I'm gonna go through this. This is the structure high on the on the structure high on the Dow. All right, so I'm gonna target color. I'm gonna change it to what? Blue? No. Yes. No. I don't know. Blue. And maybe this I'm gonna change to a red. I guess so, right? Okay, so this is the structure high on the Dow. Liquidity build up here. The trap. Here's the trap. Oopsie. Here's that trap. That is all the liquidity being built up here. Trap. And here's that liquidity. Here's that liquidity build up. Boom. So, looking forward to, and here is, I'm going to target around these levels, for a 4.5 R or so. But this is my setup for the Dow at the open. Need that liquidity or that liquidation of the highs at the trap, then the move down at the level. So what I dig about this is the 50-minute chart. Remember, guys, I'm trading the 50-minute chart when it comes to indices. Trading on the 50-minute chart when it comes to indices. Just bullshit. Fake guru. I'm not a guru. I'm just sharing what the fuck I do, mate. If you don't like what I do, well, just don't follow me. I've never said I'm the best trader ever, by far. I'm just sharing what I do. If this is not what you, if this doesn't make sense to you or you don't like it, you're more than welcome to fuck off. Right? I'm not selling you anything. Yeah. There's a big difference between people that show, rental cars on Instagram and fake watches or whatever. I'm just here in my pajamas without having shaved, just showing you what I'm doing, and that's it. I'm never gonna show you my lifestyle, mate. I'm never going to show you my accounts either. That's what real traders do. So there's a big difference, right? I'm just sharing what I do. All right, so this is what I'm looking at. The Euro USD, we took profits right here, right before, today was ECB day and unemployment claims date. Yeah. So closed my trades before that. On the gold side, I closed my trades around these levels just before same data dump. I don't have any. I mean, the reason that I closed gold, is because I had a very tight stop loss, right? I was filled right at this imbalance right here during the Asian session, and well, with the break of the structure, but my stop losses were below yesterday's lows. So yeah, my stop loss was very tight, so I could not, in fact. Yeah, no worries. Minanagi, of course, more than welcome. So, yeah, I couldn't leave my position opens with such a small, small stop loss. Well, the trade didn't run, and I would have got stopped out of break even instead of making a tiny profit. I actually closed it around this level. Was a very tiny profit. The euro US dollar, I closed it entirely here, even though my stop losses were below these lows. I would have gotten stopped out already. Yeah, like I told you in my video, I mean, I don't like holding trades during the news. If the trade, if my trade is in fact just starting to move like this euro US dollar, I just take it out. I do place pending orders before the news, to get filled on volatility. That's very, very different. All right, so waiting for the open. The casino is about to open in about 8 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, and I really need to shave because it's starting to itch. It is starting to itch. And also, you need to make, and if you are a VIP, you need to understand that there's two traders, and I am differentiating myself very aggressively from the other traders, so you understand my real performance. I'm sick and tired of people coming at me, um, thinking that it is only me that sends, signals on the VIP group when it's not. So I'm making a big ass difference, and I'm only reporting on my performance and my performance only. So you need to understand that. And I will be very vocal about it because I have worked my ass off to optimize my performance. Yes, I do make mistakes. Yes, I have drawdown periods, but ultimately, on a vacuum, not on a vacuum, in the long run, what I do is profitable. If, if it weren't, I would not be doing it, right? Yeah, I wish I could, but I can't. All right, so let's wait for the open. Oh. Yeah, this is the only thing that I have going on. I'm going to just delete everything here, drawings wise, on the euro and gold. Gold might get us an opportunity to get involved long, but I'm not too keen on trading gold today. I really don't have a setup, mate. I really do not have a setup. And this liquidation already happened. Uh, you know, the sell side liquidity has been swept. This is very highly likely that it's going to move up during the session, but I don't have a setup for a pullback. Let's wait for the open, right? Let's wait for the open and let's see what happens. And this is the only one that I have, mate. You know what? Whilst we wait for the casino to open, I'm going to change the colors on my candles because I am sick and tired of them. You know, I change them a lot because, yeah, I don't know why, but it gives. I have this thing about colors on my chart. Sometimes, like right now, I'm looking to use some kind of a monochrome, color setting on my chart. But then I'm going to get tired of that, and I'm going to go to bold colors again. Yeah, that's just who I am. I don't know. Yep, something like this, I guess. Yeah, something like this. Very mellow. I love it. This is the one. Apply to all. Boom. There you go. All right. I don't think I'm in love with it. Yeah, I want to change this. God damn it. Uh, bluesy, bluesy. Kind of. It's kind of working for me. It is. Black. But not black, 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 black. Something like this. Something like this. Yes. This is the one. Blue and black. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, it happens to me. So just have a look at the settings. I have all of this templates from 2021, starting 2021, 2022, black and white. I'm going to show you the black and white. This is when I was really tired of colors. Then I had the blue and gray. Hey, I already have the blue and gray. See? Gray radiant, I hate it. Orange and gray. Black. Wow. I really was into colors right there. Black and white. Let's see, 2022, what I was using. Yeah. 2021, same thing. Yeah, I'm going to use the blue and gray. Apply to all. There you go. So did you, no. No. I'm sorry. I'm looking at the news on my phone whilst we wait. Um, yeah. Apparently, they caught more terrorists here in El Salvador. Gang affiliated terrorists. Boom, boom. All right, less than a minute until the casino opens. Let's go. All right, less than 30 seconds, I guess, until the casino opens. Where's my dog? I don't know. Bam, 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 bam. Hello, Charles. How are you, mate? All right, the casino is about to open. Casino just opened. Very mellow open. I don't know. I mean, volume and volatility has been just fucking awful lately, right? My pound, no, not pound, my US30, because I want to show you the Japanese yen basket print.
S&P opens up 0.4%. Nasdaq up 0.5%.
Hold on. S&P up 4%. Well, I had an S&P 500 possible short and a Nasdaq also. Possibility of a short, but I am But the Dow is just the best setup. The better one of of those three is on the Dow, so I am sticking to the Dow. On the Japanese yen side, so we got very strong bullish momentum, right? On the 15-minute chart, of course, then on the hourly chart, etc. Let's go to a 5-minute chart here on the Japanese yen because I'm hunting longs on the Japanese yen. What's happening in Investify? Nothing, nothing. Just waiting for more movie recommendations, mate. I'm fine, mate. I'm fine. Thank you. So, very strong move to the upside on the Japanese yen. Pretty much looking for possible longs here, liquidity build up, imbalances, etc. We do have a breaker. Very, very, very good. I would, in fact, look for longs on a pullback on the Japanese yen, right? Of course, I'm not going to trade the Japanese yen basket. I'm going to go to look for some shorts on the Japanese yen markets that I do trade on. Very big breakout on the US dollar, top left of my screen right here. This is what we're looking for, gang. I don't know why I called you gang. I'm sorry about that. This is what we're looking for, a very big breakout on the USD. Let's go back to the Japanese yen basket markets. Not on the pound yen, the euro yen's looking very good. We do have a ton of inefficiency here left on field. Of course, this is the 50-minute chart on the Japanese yen. I'm never going to use this one. We have two gaps, right? I'm never going to use the first. We have three gaps. We have this one, and of course, we have that one. I always use the gap that is closest to the order block that saw the surge in the volume that broke with the structure, right? Or changed the character in this market. This is a complete market structure shift. So basically this is the one that I'm going to use for shorts on the Japanese yen, on the euro yen, I'm sorry. Let's go to a 5-minute chart. 3-minute chart, I'm sorry. It's super hot today here in El Salvador. The Japanese yen should be overbought. Listen, I don't mind about. I really don't look at currencies being overbought or oversold as a decision to making my trades. And be careful with that because I'm gonna go big. I'm not actually gonna go big because this is important. Yeah, I do need to shave. Markets.
Lagarde finally concludes the ECB press conference.
If you use an oscillator, right, to pinpoint overbought and oversold market conditions, be careful with that because one, the speed of the oscillator is very, very much important, right? And two, I don't trust that. I do use an oscillator but I use it for the F1 strategy, but I don't use it for overbought and oversold. I'm going to show you afterwards how I use it, right? Because a very bullish market can be stuck in overbought territory for a long period of time, mate. And a very strong bearish market can be stuck in oversold territory for a long period of time. So to me, oversold and overbought, data in an oscillator means absolutely nothing. I'm going to show you how I use it. So first of all, let's have a look at the US30. Okay, I'm going to come back to the euro yen. Our hips are in. I'm not sure if I'm going to place this order just yet. We are in the US session trading the Japanese yen, so that by itself is a little bit sketchy, but that's okay. F1 strategy. Haven't traded the F1 this week. I haven't had the opportunity to wake up early to do so. So this is, God damn it. Okay, I understand. So this is the F1 strategy, right? Remove drawings. Let's see what we had here today on the F1 strategy. Euro USD. That's okay. So this is the F1 strategy, right? So I'm gonna show you a real setup on the F1 strategy, mates. Because if I don't, it means absolutely nothing. So this is the thing, right? la, like I told you, I didn't trade the F1 strategy today or yesterday, so I'm not sure about what markets had an F1 strategy set up that I could in fact show you. Uh, oh, maybe Ethereum. Oh, yes, Ethereum had a one beautiful one. So here we go. This is an oscillator. I'm going to show you why or what oscillator I use. I'm going to show you the settings on this oscillator. Yeah, you're welcome, mate. But again, I don't care about overbought and oversold territories. The indication of a market being oversold and overbought to me means absolutely nothing. I use the oscillator to pinpoint true divergence. For example, this was a beautiful short on Ethereum. God damn it. This was a beautiful short on Ethereum on the F1 strategy, mate. Right here. Now, you know what? Next week I'm going to start doing F1 strategy live shows for free. Fuck, this was beautiful. Actually, you know, it was only a 3R, but it ran over 7R. Anyways, the way that I use my oscillator is to pinpoint true divergence. What is true divergence to me? Well, true divergence is, you know, this in the oscillator, right? And true divergence gives me the direction of the market and the strong direction of the market. Also, the other way that you can use an oscillator, mate, is this. Very, I mean, we are, this is very simple, right? We are in a very strong down move here in Ethereum, right? Or we were, actually. So, what happened here with the oscillator? Well, it came back up all the way to overbought territory. Oversold, overbought. I don't even know. And what happened with price? Well, it just pulled up back. So this shows you that we are in fact in a down move and we should be looking for shorts and shorts only. Those are the two ways that you can actually you know, make money out of using an oscillator, mate. In my opinion, that's it. That is, yeah. Shit, it's super hot today here. And no, I can't, yeah, I just can't. All right, so 20 minutes until since I've been here. Nothing too much going on, you know, trading wise. The Japanese yen on the bottom left of my screen, about to break with the New York session highs. This is just going to bring more bearish pressure on the euro yen, and I'm going to place this short position. I mean, this looks very good. We do have a ton of liquidity left here, so yeah, price is absolutely closer to targets than it is to my entry. But that is not a red flag for me. Of course, I will be placing stop losses above the highs. Possible what? 4.2R here, short on the pound on the euro yen. I'm gonna tag it red. I see red, and this is blue, no green because I already have a yeah. An order there. So nothing to do here, guys. I'm going to log out, unless you have a couple of questions that I can. I mean, more than happy to respond. But other than that, I'm sorry about that yawn. But because of where I live, I have to wake up very early, around 2 a.m. I go back to sleep, of course, but still, it's not I mean, it's not the same as sleeping, you know, all throughout the night. Yeah, I'm not complaining. Yeah, I see red. Yeah, I don't see red anymore on my charts, but you know. Yeah. So, if you have any questions, go ahead and shoot. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes. If you don't, guys, I'm just going to, you know, log out. ¿Y las perritas? Oh, I'm back. I'm backity back. I'm backity back. What's your take on Nasdaq? Yeah, like I told you earlier, I was looking for shorts on the Nasdaq. I don't know. I mean, a little bit sketchy. Short wise, I don't have a bias on the Nasdaq or the S&P 500, mate. Really, just focusing on this short on the Dow. Possible short on the Dow, right? So I'm gonna look out, guys. Yeah, I hope this shows get longer and longer, and that's only going to happen if we get more people in and more questions on the chat. Because I'm not going to stay here in front of my screens, doing nothing, just to spend time here with you. All right. So I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.